U MLA ka BJP na Shillong South ba Sanbor Shulai ubrang shurung thamai ku menteri ka kanhun menteri ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ulong bala da ka parti ka niyo pura bersinsyar ka jala Meghalaya tang hapo sanmet lala ban penio ya ka inline permit da ka ba ong babaro ki yu sentio bat kentu ban chon yu budam bodandur sentio uba Sanbor ulong ru lada dan tang lai fulai ngutru ban thawek Sarkar da ka parti BJP kadot kangap kanwan bat ka jala kan kala.
With an appeal to let us forget about the party. Let us not listen to this political propaganda against the BJP. Forget. Think for your stomach. Think for your future. Forget about the. People should just remember that everybody they love flowers. Everybody, flower is very a favorite item of everybody. So they just should remember flower. Just push their button in the flower. Next election, if they give BJP 35, at least 33 will form our own government. You will see at that time, milk and honey will come and Meghalaya will be changed. Still.
And Meghalaya will get ILP.
Our own government, full-fledged BJP government.
You have joined the government at a time when